I probably look the exact same as one of my other videos, intros and outros, but that's because I've been recording content and I keep forgetting to film intros and outros for them. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. My name's Brandy. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like what you see. I am doing something a little bit different in today's video. This is a chicken enchilada recipe, not chicken enchiladas. Why did I say chicken enchiladas? That actually sounds really, really good. This is a chicken fajita recipe that I recently recorded. I made my own fajita mix, which I much rather prefer I obviously can't talk. I'd much rather make my own mix because I have more personal control over the flavor. This should be relatively easy. I was craving fajitas, and the great thing is most of the ingredients in fajitas are items that most people, I feel like, have in their kitchen already. I just threw it in a tortilla and actually wrapped it up like a burrito. Is that a sin? I don't know. Please tell me, but it was delicious. If you'd like to see how I make my own fajita mix and would like to try it yourself, then just keep watching. So this first step is optional, but these chicken breasts were slightly thicker than I wanted them, so I decided to pound them out a little bit so they cook more evenly. Next, you're going to slice your chicken breasts into small strips, or you can dice them into cubes. So we're gonna make our fajita mix. I use about a tablespoon of everything and a teaspoon for the salt and cayenne powder. The olive oil, I use several tablespoons. You want it to be this sort of thick, pasty consistency. I'm just mixing the chicken in the fajita mix as well as I can. And while the chicken cooks, I'm going to cut the onions and peppers. I like to cut the onions into larger pieces. This is how I cut my pepper. Feel free to judge me. It's different than I used to do, but I find this way is a lot easier and works a lot better, especially when cutting up the peppers for fajitas. I take it off when it's most of the way cooked, and I'm going to start caramelizing the onions. Then I add in the bell peppers, and then we're going to mix in the chicken when that's mostly cooked, and then just throw it into a tortilla, add some sour cream, and enjoy. So there you have it, a delicious house-made fajita mix. I am interested to know if any of you do try this at home, how it turned out for you in the comment section below. Let me know if you liked it, if there's anything that you would have added to it or done differently. I am always open to learning new things, especially when it comes to cooking. If you liked watching this cooking video, let me know if this is something that you'd like to watch again in the future, because maybe I'll just have to make some more cooking videos. Enjoy your fajitas, enjoy your time. I hope that you are all safe and well. Until next time, and thanks again for joining me. Bye.